Hi there, students. An enforcer. An enforcer. Okay, this is a person who compels compliance, is somebody who compels observance of the rules. They ensure that somebody is obedient to the system. And an enforcer, you can have enforcers of various different types. It's a person who ensures that the rules or the laws are followed. And for example, in society, a policeman is an enforcer of the law. Although I don't think I would normally use the word enforcer for a policeman. Now, you normally find an enforcer is somebody who is employed by a gang, somebody who works in a gang to ensure that people do what they are supposed to do. And if they don't do it, then there will be very severe trouble. Normally an enforcer is a great big bloke whose responsibility it is to make sure that people perform the actions that they are supposed to, that there is no problem. The enforcer is a strong man for a mob or a crime syndicate, and they maintain control and they maintain discipline within a gang. And if you don't do what the boss tells you, either you'll be beaten up or killed by the enforcer. In sports, particularly in ice hockey, an enforcer protects the star players. An enforcer is a very aggressive player, a big aggressive player who stops the opponents being aggressive. The enforcer protects the star players from being targeted. Okay, so the enforcer of a team. The mob boss hired a ruthless enforcer to ensure that all gambling debts were paid on time. A loan shark. A loan shark is a person who makes illegal loans to people. And loan sharks have an enforcer. So if you don't make your payments, the enforcer will come to see you, and that's going to mean real problems. He was the chief enforcer for the local gang and made sure that nobody dared double cross the leader. Or the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency, are the primary enforcer of environmental regulations against pollution in the United States. Okay, so an enforcer, a person who imposes their will by violence. Gangland enforcers linked to a drugs gang. So if people start dealing on your gang's territory, the enforcer will resolve the problem. Yeah, in sports, a strong, aggressive player whose role it is to protect teammates and dominate an area of the field. Okay, so a defensive enforcer. So it's somebody who makes people obey a law or a rule, or makes a particular situation happen. So this is an enforcer. The enforcer made sure that everybody followed the rules. The mafia enforcer threatened anyone who crossed their boss. The enforcer of the school policies punished students for breaking the rules. In British English, we also have the enforcer. It's a tool a battering ram used by the emergency services to knock down doors, or the police used to knock down a door to gain access. And it's called the enforcer. It's a battering ram, something to smash down a door. So, an enforcer. From the verb to enforce, to impose, enforcer in French, infortiare in Latin, fortis, strong. So an enforcer. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use anywhere except for something very formal. And frequency, maybe a medium frequency. So enforcer. Bye for now.